Hi, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and this is the beauty box that I have been wanting to show you guys. We finally got the box today, so this will be the unboxing of the Lancome Holiday Beauty Box. 10 full-size products. You can buy it for $65 with any $35 purchase. Nice little alligator pattern handle, 2 compartments, little double-decker beauty box. In the top compartment, we have our new advanced Genefique Day Moisturizer. Wow, it's like Christmas, early Christmas. Okay, 2 more products. This is our Monsieur Big mascara. Ladies, no need for false lashes between this and our mascara primer. It's our nighttime lipstick, and I got the cool color box because I have pink undertones, so I am cool. Shades of makeup. Now here's our Le Crayon eyeliner in black, our mascara primer, and between this is step 1 and the mascara is step 2 of perfect falsy lashes. Now this is our day shade with the nude lipstick. So we got a red lipstick and a nude lipstick. And to complete the top part, we have, our eyeshadow palette. And look at those colors. Move in legs a little bit. There's browns and pinks and blue, and look at the shimmer. It is so cool. That is our eyeshadow palette. Now let's unzip the bottom. Let's just feel. We have our bifacial eye makeup remover. Bifacil, I think, is actually the way you say that. I joke I'm going to have to learn how to speak French just to read the labels. And this is our new advanced serum. It's a Genefique. This is a $79, $69 product. It's worth buying the whole box just to get the Genefique products at each of these retail for around $70. This is amazing. Such an incredible bargain. These are beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. And this is the blush and highlighter palette. You see 2 blush colors and kind of a bronzer and highlighter with the cools because of the pink. And I hope you guys enjoy. You can go find a Lancome counter near you and get your holiday beauty box. It is amazing. You will absolutely love it. It is totally beauty in a box. All you'll need. Thanks.